Slide the K-flange over the rotor. Install the inner ring onto the rotor. Place the flat packing into the roll recess. Mount the K-flange. Tighten the bolts lightly. Install the anti-rotation device. Check that the play of the anti-rotation device may not be distorted. Secure the anti-rotation device. Install the holder for the dial indicator. Secure the magnetic base of the dial indicator to a non-moving object. Make contact between the dial indicator probe and the rotary joint housing. Reset the dial indicator to 0. Rotate the roll slowly. Tighten the K-flange bolts more. Visual control of K-flange. Read the dial indicator. Mark the K-flange at the lowest point. Tighten the upper K-flange bolts to center the dial between the high and the low point. Rotate the roll again. Read the dial indicator. Fix the K-flange at the lowest point. Tighten the upper K-flange bolts to center the dial between the high and the low point. Reset the dial indicator to 0. Read the dial indicator. The maximum acceptable tolerance is specified in the operation instructions.